Alright, you guys, with all the construction noise, we've decided that today is probably a good day to get out of Malaga a little bit and go see a small town called Ronda. So I have packed up all my camera gear in my Manfrotto bag and also the drone. So we're gonna make some amazing drone shots over Ronda city in Spain here. So packing a little bit heavy, but yeah, I think it's gonna be good though. Alright, so right now we're just walking down to the car, which is always interesting when you leave a rental car in these busy streets here in Malaga, just to see if it's still okay. Alright, so we arrived here in Ronda and there's a beautiful view, but there's also a lot of people, so I really want to take out the drone and I need to just find a place where it's not going to bother so many people at least. But look at this. So time to see if we can be a little bit sneaky and put it up without pissing off everybody. Okay, so definitely a success, and now we're just gonna get away from here before this harmonica player makes us crazy. How about this place, you mean?
Huh?
This place.
Which side?
Yeah. Let's take a sit outside. Now we're just trying to find some food here. And this is my duck. Here's the swordfish. So now that we're done with our lunch, it's time to really look like a geek and use this thing to get some nice shots, hopefully. Let's see how this works. Hola. 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 What we're planning on doing is going from all the way up there, follow this path down to there, fly the drone from there this evening. Alright, so it's time for us to make our final hike down to the valley and then maybe get up the drone one more time, get some beautiful shots of the city because it is truly amazing here. How you doing, Yumi? Yeah. That's okay?
Yeah, just go.
Okay, so spotted this little path here, and maybe don't have to walk all the way down. Somehow doubt it. Those signs don't look very nice either. Look at all these stacked rocks. That's pretty cool. Now I don't think you're supposed to walk all the way down this way. But I gotta say, that's beautiful. I think we walked down that small path there. Whew. So the path is getting more and more difficult. And as you can see on my forehead, it's quite hot. So I'll show you here. But I think we have the perfect place for the drone. Just down there. This is so beautiful. It's totally uncharted. And I need to fly the drone through there. That is for sure. Look at these ruins as well. Just gonna see what's down here. And then I think it's time to take flight. Absolutely amazing. And I'm sweating like a beast. Now, might not be able to see it, but there's a ton of tiny little bugs all over the place. And they actually bite, which I understand. I'm super sweaty, I'm nasty. Get it that they want to bite, but still not the most pleasant experience ever. Selfie! Sweaty selfie. Done. And now comes the incredibly hard walk up again. So, we made it up, and it was not very fun, to be honest. But now we're walking into the old part of Ronda. So the Canon with this lens is perfect for vlogging, but the Sony is more for the B-roll. So I think we're gonna go switch this one over to the Sony and then take some B-roll shots with the slow motion as well. Yeah, time for us to get something to drink, coffee maybe, and then sit down and relax a little bit in the shade. Alright, so we're sitting in this nice cafe and then suddenly we heard some drumming music out in the background. We're gonna see if we can try to find out where exactly that came from. And then also show you the beautiful view here. Okay, so our trip here in Ronda is now coming to an end, which is nice. The sun is going down. We're just walking back to the car because we're pretty exhausted and very sweaty. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.